Are you tired of dieting? Tired of fancy fad diets which do nothing for you? You know, the ones which make you starve, make you feel cranky all the time. How long has it been since you ate a slice of cheese? Or some peanut butter for that matter? Aren't you just tired of it all? Hi, I'm Coach Keto and I help people change their body so they change their life. There's nothing more annoying than killing yourself for a so-called diet, only to realize that you won't. You can't stick to it for the life of you. Being constantly guilty about taking that one bite of your favorite almond butter can be suffocating. How about we talk about a diet that lets you eat fats guilt-free? Rather, a diet which makes you eat fats. A diet called keto. You've probably heard about it already. It's a rage on the internet, all over the web, quite in vogue. So what is the keto diet? Keto or ketogenic diet is a low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat diet which puts the body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Now, what is ketosis? Wikipedia says ketosis is a metabolic state in which some of the body's energy supply comes from ketone bodies in the blood, in contrast to a state of glycolysis, in which blood glucose, which is sugar, provides most of the energy. Simply put, ketosis is a completely natural and normal biochemical process that happens in our bodies when fats are burned for fuel instead of glucose, and the results in production of ketones. And ketones are pure magic. They make fat burning more effective in our body, pushing it in an awesome metabolic state. Now, this metabolic state only happens in the absence or near absence of carbohydrates in your diet. And the idea is to achieve fat burning by starvation of carbs instead of starvation of fats, which means you can eat fats but not carbs. So why blame, the butter for what the bread did, right? Turns out butter's your friend and bread the enemy. And this goes against the standard old age notion of maintaining a low-fat diet while on a diet. I know, it looks like someone's out of business since the buzz is now, about a high-fat and low-carbs diet, but are we sure? Carbs are your body's primary source of energy, your fuel to walk and talk and do everything else in between. And now that you're hit by a carbs drought, won't you just lose it? Well, you won't, because you'll simply eat fats as you're relying on fats for energy. And we've been told that fats are better at it than carbs, so it's why you can expect fat burning in your body. Quite simply, you lose some, you gain some. With keto, you lose carbs, but you gain fats in your diet. Quite a treat for long-time diet goers, I'm told. Now, the next question is how to achieve ketosis and how to stay in it. And the only way it's possible is by planning your meals a certain way, by eating more certain foods and less of others. And chances are you already love some of these foods. Foods like cheese, butter, and eggs. And not to forget the oils like coconut oil, the avocado oil, and olive oil. And you can include some poultry, beef, pork, lamb, and seafood such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, bass, sardines, shrimp, and octopus. And also some nuts like chia and flax seeds and berries. And let's not forget your daily dose of greens, vegetables which grow above the ground, such as spinach, avocado, asparagus, eggplant, tomato, zucchini, cucumber, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These are all low or no carbs for food. So what are high carb foods that should be avoided? Well, you'll want to purge all kinds of breads, pastas, noodles, rice, cereals, pastries, and sweets, juices, and sodas, and most fruits except berries. Now, in all fairness, the list of foods not eaten is the same size as foods to be eaten, so you're not really losing, just replacing. Now, the easy way to start, so you don't feel burdened or overwhelmed with calculators, is to include 1 part of protein, 2 parts of vegetables of the ones that grow above the ground, and 1 part of fat to your meal. In other words, the key to a successful ketogenic diet is to consume around 20 grams of net carbohydrates a day and sufficient fat and protein to keep you full and maintain muscle mass. Now that we have a fair understanding of the keto diet, let's talk about the benefits. You're mistaken if you think it's only weight loss. Certainly weight loss is one of the benefits, but there's more. First, a keto diet may help with diabetes. Keto naturally lowers blood sugar levels due to the type of foods you eat, and studies show that keto is a more effective way to control diabetes compared to low-calorie diets. But remember, when it comes to serious matters like diabetes, to always consult your physician. Another benefit of the keto diet is increased energy and reduced hunger. You imagine life without hunger pains while on a diet. An energized version of you, even while dieting. It's possible because fats are considered to be a better source of energy compared to carbs. The ketogenic diet also helps with mental focus. In fact, many people use the ketogenic diet specifically for the increased mental performance, as ketones are a great source of fuel for the brain. And it doesn't just end there. Keto has other benefits like improving cholesterol and blood pressure, building insulin resistance, and giving you beautiful skin. Yes, you heard it right. This diet not only can help you lose weight, but makes you pretty as well. And the reason behind this is that the increase in fat intake brings moisture and glow to the face, and reduction in carbs shows drop in lesions and skin inflammation. All in all, it's a win-win diet. So are you ready to get started? Well, to make your journey with the keto diet easier, I've put together a special bundle. It starts with a 66-page ebook that will answer all your questions about keto. Is it safe? What are the side effects? What foods to eat? What foods not to eat? What are the rules? And if you want to know more about low carbs, included is a special report that answers 23 of the most frequently asked questions about the low carb lifestyle. And as a special bonus, I'll include a 100 low carb swaps cheat sheet and 148 low carbs food shopping list. Now, if you're like me and eat out a lot, I'll include a 11-page report with 33 tips to go low carb when eating out. And finally, if you're an athlete or into bodybuilding, I'll include a 13-page report on cyclical and targeted keto diets. As you can see, I've put together an impressive bundle, for beginners that will provide everything you need to get started. Now, normally, this bundle costs $97, but if you act right now, you can get the entire bundle for 100% absolutely free. That's right, you can get this incredible package of information that'll give you all the answers about the keto diet and the cheat sheets for getting started for free. But you have to act now because this offer is only available for a limited time. So go ahead and click the link in the description below this video, or you can type the URL into the address bar of your favorite browser, and that URL is www.coachketo.net/bundle. And you'll be taken to a hidden web page where you just enter your details to get instant access, where you'll receive a 66-page ebook that'll answer all your questions about the keto diet, a special report that answers 23 frequently asked questions about the low carb lifestyle, a cheat sheet and shopping list, plus a report with 33 tips to go low carb when eating out, and a 13-page report on cyclical and targeted keto diets for athletes. So either go to www.coachketo.net/bundle or click the link in the description box below this video. But you have to act now because it's free only for a limited time. Thanks again for watching, and remember, if you change your body, you change your life.